Maraming salamat, Dr. Vicky Bello, si Leslie Tuviera, si Metria, sa Flawless, at sa Gold's Gym at sa Metatayon. And happy birthday to Archie Calakian and Erola Cation from Aileen Alvis of Flawless. And advance happy birthday to Daddy, Ronnie from Abby, Ron, and Cedric. At aming sa poll, ang question, may pakialam ba ang publiko sa love life ni Pangulong Noynoy Aquino? Ang resulta, oo, 28%.
29 na.
Hindi. A disappointing 72%. Talaga kayo, ha? Ayaw nyo kunyari, ha? Okay. Anyway,
Start off, I'd like to thank the following: Active White, Calcium C, Bizarre, Aquabest, Samsung Electronics, Philippines, everyone's invited, ACR Furniture, Modern Design Furniture, Bella Flawless, Magic Jelly, Mel and Joey bukas, yung advanced birthday celebration ko. Panang maganda, panoorin nyo.
And happy birthday to Chet Cabigas and Raymond Santiago of Unilab, Henny and Lily Ocava and Ana Margareta. Bravo and best wishes to Joy Solis. Ikakasal siya?
Joy Solis, okay. Happy birthday to Pit Pit Lo and Aina Lewis from Girly Lewis and from us, all of us. Happy viewing to Milet Manangkil, Betty and Baby Garcia, Bobby Yalong, Edmond Silvestre, all of New Jersey. To Alice and Red Martinez, Alan Trambolo, Ching Legarda, Bots Babuska of New York. And happy viewing to Robert Cabral and Ronald De Los Santos.
At ang Bello Medical Group ay meron 20% off sa Smart Life po. Kaya tumawag na sa 819-BELLO or 819-2356. Email at customercare@bellomed.com. Okay.
Ay, wala na, Alisa.
Okay. Ay, ako pa po. Thank you, Dr. Vicky Bello, Dr. Caparas, and Bello Medical Group, Bello Essentials, Flawless, hi kay Shane ng Flawless, Metatayo ng Placenta, Bucala Shoes, Karima doon kung may outfit, Lorenzo Terrio kung may makeup, Lina Hair Fashion, Dr. Hyla Dizon Santos kung may dental care, yung WWS Optical SM Pampanga, at kaya po ng Powers after po ng 24 oras, 7 p.m. po. Hi, Shane ng Flawless.
Webcam Queen. Ito na.
Ora, BJ Floresta, thank you. Bambi Pentes Timog, lalong-lalo na kay Wendy, Joe Paharot, Benji Alipio ng Sandals, Bags and Sleeper, Sandy Arellano, maraming salamat. Rich Chua ng Quick Milk, thanks to Mr. Jimmy Ko and Miss Lulu Season ng Patriot and Voyager of Luggage Department, Bizarre, Bong Lason ng Ritaso, Chris de la Cruz, Carol Ngo ng Magic Jelly, Lucky Bamboo, Dr. Vicky Bello, Rubico Yuto ng Flawless, Joey Santos ng House of Obagi, Color Science Makeup, Micaela Bilbao, Pinky Tubiano, Mama Big Perez, happy birthday ulit, Mitatayan Capsules, Ola Espiritu, Erning Lee ng Ultra Mega Supermarket, Joel Cruz ng Aficionado, Colin Luna, Trini Garcia ng Reggie Placeta, Sun Trace, Jupiter Street, Happy Toothpaste, Jasper Q ng Champion.
Hulin man ng airing, hindi nyo ito mapapalampas. Mga happenings na talagang nagbubuwiglas. Rampage!
First Rampage, Galileo Enrichment Learning Program together with Nutriplex launched a 2-day workshop for parents and educators to optimize children's learning potentials happened last October 2 at SVG Hall, AIM Conference Center, Makati City. Secondly, Go at Step Out, Avon Walk and Run Against Breast Cancer 2010. Last Sunday at the SM Mall of Asia, led by Miss Iza Calzado at joined din ang ilang mga kapuso star. Di rin tayo nagpahuli as Medical City launched their new cardiac and vascular catheterization laboratory system. Next dyan,